Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Metroid Prime with mouse and keyboard. First, you will need to download and install an emulator such as Dolphin. Once installed, open the emulator and go to the controller settings. Here, you will configure your keyboard and mouse to mimic the original GameCube controller. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable experience, allowing you to customize every input to your preference. For optimal control, map your movement to the W, A, S, D keys, just like most first-person games. Your mouse will handle all aiming and camera movements, providing far greater precision than a joystick. Experiment with mouse sensitivity settings to find what feels most natural for you. Many players find a lower sensitivity better for fine aiming, while others prefer higher for quick turns. This customization is key to mastering the game. Once your basic controls are set, explore advanced techniques. Assign hotkeys for quick beam and visor changes, which is vital for efficient combat and puzzle solving. Practice lock-on strafing to maintain target acquisition while dodging enemy attacks. Mastering these fluid movements will significantly improve your combat effectiveness and overall gameplay. Remember, consistent practice makes perfect, transforming your experience. Playing Metroid Prime with mouse and keyboard offers significant advantages, especially in aiming precision. You will find combat more engaging and movement more fluid, allowing for quicker reactions and more strategic play. While it takes some getting used to, the benefits are immense. Dedicate about 30 minutes daily to practice, and you will quickly adapt, unlocking a new level of enjoyment and skill in this classic adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.